Well, I would love to say that it's all over, but actually, after several hours of research and looking to the figures, I realized, well, we're all screwed really, and the only thing left to do is nothing, so enjoy your last days, motherfuckers. I'm just gonna go and watch some Netflix and do nothing for the rest of the quarantine, which might be like half a year or forever. I might die, so bye. Take care.
I'm sorry for such a specific intro, but I just had to show what some people give me, like the feeling that they give me, and I really hate that because the only thing they see they can do is nothing, and I'm a fan of overworking, overdoing and overthinking even if it's not the healthiest thing to do, but I'm a fan of that. Maybe eventually I'll stop. And today I wanted to talk about the opportunities that quarantine gives us, quarantine or coronavirus or recession or whatever you want to call it really, because they are huge and I hate the idea that most people don't use them. So I'm going to try and share some with you guys, and let's dig into it. If you enjoyed the video, please drop me a like and a follow and a comment down below, or if you like me or if you like you, or just do it please. Most of the people are now stuck in their homes, just like I am and you are. And everyone has a lot of free time. I know the lifestyle is different, everything is different, but it's a blessing itself because you get all the time in the world only in your house. And you know what? I can bet that at least once in your life you said, I don't have enough time for a certain thing. Maybe you always wanted to try something, but it's like, oh, my lifestyle is too busy for that. So now is the right time, because you either adapt or you fail, and the time that we spend now is going to determine where we will be when everything will end. So the only choice you've got now is how you're going to use your time, so use it wisely and don't waste it, because you get all the time to try all the things you always wanted just now, and it's in your hands and it's your choice to choose if you're taking this opportunity or just like letting it go away from you. What I can tell you for sure is that all you need is a Wi-Fi connection and dream for doing anything you ever wanted. And that's relatable for anyone. Ever wanted to read that one book? Fucking do it. Always wanted to learn how to code? Just do it. Always wanted to start a cooking blog? Just fucking take and do it. And take this opportunity that's given to everyone, but just a few use it.
Obviously, it's not only the limited time the main opportunity here, because we've got lots of other opportunities that we can efficiently make use of and be happy in the future. So let me share some of my ideas here with you guys. Okay, so the first one is obviously the stock market, because now it's hit the record lows, so it's in a huge fall. And people who can make the use of it understand that it's a bargain and prices are too good not to buy, and we don't really know if that's the bottom. It can even fall lower, but what we know for sure is that they're gonna rise, because recessions are not forever, so it's gonna fall until the point when they're gonna rise and be back again, and even stronger and higher prices. The same happens with the prices of oil, obviously because of the virus and people don't really use oil now and everything is just stopped, and because of the price war with Russia, which dropped the price really low, like it hasn't been for years now. Due to the recession that we are in, whether you admit it or no, we all know that we are going towards that, or we are already in that. A lot of new startups or new businesses are going to come out, and because the government is willing to help new things to start now, they're willing to help with loans and everything. So that's the perfect time when you can actually start your business idea if you've got one, and everyone is going to be willing to help you. Just like Disney did with the new Disney TV. They have made fucking billions pounds in a few weeks time on subscriptions, having just only a website. That's fucking mad, and you can do the same thing. There are no stops for that. So go on, if you've got a brilliant idea, it's the right time to start now. You won't have any more time or support more than now, so start it. The third one will be properties. Another good investment right now will be properties or real estate, because the prices will slump as they usually do during recessions, and they'll go back up because they always rise. And now is the perfect timing for you if you ever thought of any properties management, real estate or anything like that, because you get no better time as they always rise, and that's the perfect timing for you to find your deals or find the properties you're interested in, because will be willing to drop the price as there are not as many buyers as you might think. Oops. So thank you for watching my video, guys, and thank you for watching until this point. And what I wanted to say is that I've given just a few suggestions that I think everyone should use and everyone should make the most of it, because we've got to look at the bright side. I'm not saying that all this death and everything is useless, but there are opportunities in any bad situation, and we gotta make the use of it. Personally, not everyone is affected, and if you are, stay strong, we gotta stay together. But if you're not, just make the most of it and look at all the opportunities, and don't get desperate or sad about that, because there is good in any bad. And if you enjoyed my video, make sure you go to my channel, watch the rest of them, subscribe, drop me a like. And if you've got any suggestion of any other good opportunities about coronavirus, drop a comment down below, and I might making another video on this topic. Have a lovely rest of your day.